I recently had a request to see how to change the gear shift light. I'm not going to go ahead and go through and removing all of the center again because I already have another video. So once you finish that video, it's very simple. Pull this up, twist it to the side, and this just peels up. There's just one clip here and then same on the other side. But you lift up on two of these. Forgive me, I am by myself, so there's that blue wire connected to the black rubber seal to that white. All you do is just twist counterclockwise and just pull it down. That's it.